Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to switch Clash of Clans account. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, open your Clash of Clans app on your device and tap on your settings icon. If your Supercell account is connected, then tap on connected button. It will take you this page. Now select the settings icon. Now click on logout button. Now click on confirm button. It will take you to this new page. You can log in with Supercell ID or click on play without Supercell ID. Now choose your account. Now it will take you to the game. So this is how you switch accounts in Clash of Clans. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.